How are you guys doing tonight? This is Felonious Bitcoin. My name is Matt. I'm making another updated video for you guys for my Candid Co clear aligner treatment. I'm on tray number 3 and I'm switching out to tray number 4 tonight. And here's my new set of trays. This is tray number 4. That's my top set. You can see on the front teeth right here, it's a lot straighter than it once was on the first set. And I'm starting to notice a lot of change happening, especially with my top teeth. My bottom teeth, not so much. They're kind of just getting pushed out right now. But yeah, the progress is definitely undeniable. The discomfort is real, let me tell you guys. You don't want to put these in like in the morning. You want to put them in at night when you're going to bed, falling asleep. And my recommendation to you guys would be you know, take a bath, do something that takes your mind off the pain. That way when you put them in, it's not as bad as it would be if you would just like sat there and concentrated on how bad it is. But it's just, you know, it's just the discomfort, just to do something to ease the pain of it. And oh, I want to let you guys know I'm partnering up with Candid Co, so that way I can bring you guys these videos more often. And I'm going to be giving you guys a promo code down below in the description. It's Delory25. I'm going to put it on screen too, so you guys can, you know, if you guys go to the website, you'll get 25% off your impression kit. And that should be, you know, a pretty good savings, honestly. Yeah, seriously, nothing but good things to say about this company. If you guys didn't get a chance to watch my unboxing video and this is your first time seeing me, I have nothing but good things to say about Candid Co. I did all my homework into this company and other companies, and seriously, this company is top of the line, the best. And another thing, I ordered another bottle of whitener. It came as expected, and it came after 3 days from the time that I had submitted an email requesting another bottle, letting them know that there's a shortage, because this stuff works fantastic, guys. Seriously, the whitener solution, wow. It's again, like I said before, I think it's peroxide mixed with mint, and it cleans the aligners and it keeps your breath fresh. That way you don't have like stinky breath if you're going out somewhere, you know. Anyways, so I felt a little bit of discomfort with tray number 3 when I switched from tray number 2, but it's not that bad, honestly. And tonight, right now, I'm going to switch to tray number 4. Wish me luck, you know, for no pain. So here we go. Top set. It's definitely uncomfortable. So it's a good idea if you guys can do something to like take your mind off the pain. Maybe, you know, before you put them in, drink some like hot tea or something, you know, soothe, you know, so that way you can like soothe your mouth, you know what I mean? Get your mouth ready for what's coming next. And, you know, try to take a hot bath, do something to take your mind off of it, go to the movies, go out somewhere, do something. But again, this is Felonious Bitcoin, and I don't really have too much to say about it. It's just a little discomfort. It's not that bad. It's very bearable, honestly. Oh, and another thing, the Candid app, if you guys put in like your start date, it'll tell you like when you have to switch your aligners out, like every 2 weeks, you know. So that's a pretty convenient tool that you guys might want to take advantage of if you guys have an iOS. I'm not sure if it's available for Android, but I would definitely look into that. If you guys have Android, look for the Candid Co app. And yeah, that's pretty much all I have to say for this video. And if you guys were able to get some sort of use or value or education out of this video, I would definitely appreciate you guys if you could like and subscribe. And yeah, have a happy new year and stay safe.